So today I'll be doing a bun tutorial. I tricked my brother with it as being a donut, but here's the tutorial, so let's get on to it. You will need the donut bun, some bubbles, like 3 I would recommend, and some bobby pins, so you're ready to go. For the first step, you will need to comb your hair, and you will use your first bubble to tie your hair up in a regular ponytail. For the next step, you will be using your donut bun and putting it through your hair, showing on the following clip. For the next part, you're going to evenly spread your hair around the donut bun, making sure the donut bun does not show. What you're going to do next is get a bubble and place it underneath the bun and making sure it's attached to the hair. It will eventually look like this, and hair will be coming out like a fountain. So for the next step, you will be gathering all the hair to one side, and you will be braiding it with your last bubble. For the next part, you will be getting the plait and you will be surrounding your donut bun, and it will create something like this. So next you are going to use your bobby pin and you are going to attach it to the back to secure your donut bun. So now you are officially done with your bun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell to get notified whenever I post. And that will wrap up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, peace out guys. Mark, I know you're watching. Yeah, this is the last bite. I'm gonna go to the dentist. No, actually I don't wanna go to the dentist. I don't want